Hello, my friends. Today we're going to talk about zones. My name is Kat Brewer. I am your fly lady, and I am a professional fly lady. I am on my own, and if you haven't ever watched before, I teach you a very simple way of doing the fly lady system. Today we're going to talk about zone work, and that means that you're actually going to be decluttering in your home. We don't do anything in a hurry. We do everything in 15-minute units in our zone. So there's no overwhelm. Now, we work 4 days a week. One day is your rest day if you're an at-home homemaker. If you're a payroll homemaker and you're not home during the week, except enough time to get ready in the morning, and when you come home, make dinner, clean up, bathe the children, get yourself ready and go to bed, then you're not going to be doing zone work during the week. You're going to do it in 4 15-minute units on Saturday morning. 1 hour of work and it'll be done. All right, so what is a zone? A zone is a portion of your home. Your home is divided into 5 zones. In this example, your zones will be Zone 1, all of the entryways into your home. Zone 2, the kitchen. Zone 3, the hall bathroom or the main bathroom, and one other room. An other room could be your laundry room, your office, a guest room, your child's room, an other room. The garage, that's the other room. Zone 4 is your main bedroom. Your bedroom, your bathroom if you have one, and your closet, the master bedroom. All right, Zone 5 is the living area. So if you have a family room, that would be that your family spends their time in, that would be your living area. If you have a formal living room and a family room, it's probably your family room. Your formal living room, if you never use it or you rarely use it, would be an other room. Now you can divide your house however you like, as long as you cover all those rooms in 5 units, okay? But this is the standard way that most people do it. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4, Zone 5, the entryway, the kitchen, the bathroom, the hall bathroom, and one other room, the master bedroom, closet, and or bathroom if you have one, and the living room or the living area. Okay, so the dining room can be part of an other room, or that you can put the dining room with the entryway if it's close to the front door. You might want to put your living room and your family room together and call that your living area. You get to do that. You can edit this to make it work for your house. When it was originally created by Marla Silly, she did it based on her house and the way her house was laid out. So you don't have to do it this way, but you need to do all 5 units once a month, okay? That covers your whole house. So if your house is 2,400 square feet, or your house is 4,800 square feet, or your house is 1,400 square feet, or your house is 800 square feet, you get all 5 units. All your whole house is done in 1 week. If you have a huge home, you probably have lots of other rooms. So your whole house won't be done every month for all of the other rooms, but you'll get at least 1 other room, okay? All right. Now, what do we do? There are 2 things we do in a zone. 2 things. One is decluttering and one is deep cleaning, but we don't do both. We do one and then the other. So you don't do deep cleaning until you've finished decluttering the entire room. So let's say we're working on Zone 3, the hall bathroom and one other room. Let's say we just want to focus the whole time on your hall bathroom, and that's fine, the main bathroom. So for 4 days in 1 week, you're going to declutter in this bathroom. So you're going to declutter under the sink, you're going to declutter a drawer, and you're going to declutter another drawer, you're going to declutter the medicine cabinet, and maybe you have a linen closet, you want to declutter one shelf of the linen closet. However long it takes you to do 15 minutes worth of decluttering. When you declutter, you stay in place. So before you start decluttering, you're going to make sure you go to the bathroom first, you can have a drink of water, you're not hungry, the kids are taken care of, and you've got a timer set for 15 minutes. If you're working on Saturday as a payroll homemaker, 4 15-minute units. So set it for 15 minutes, go take a breather, and then go again until it's all done, okay? not a long breather. Get it over with. All right. You're also going to need 3 containers when you're decluttering: a box, a bag, and a basket. The box is for your giveaway. The bag is for your throwaway or shred. The basket is for your put away. So let's say that you're working in a linen closet and you're going through there and you're finding some old towels. When you look at those towels, if you determine that they are no longer fit for your house, then you have to think, are they fit for anyone else? If they aren't, then you probably aren't going to take them to the Goodwill. Maybe you can donate them to the local animal shelter. I just see Mr. B pulled up, so he's going to be coming in the house in just a minute. We're in an RV. We're full-time RVers. But I lived in houses for my whole life until this last year. So you're going to want to complete your process at the end of decluttering. So when you're done, you're going to take the giveaway to the back of the car. You're going to take the throwaway to the garbage can. And you're going to take the put away and go put it wherever else it goes. So let's say when you're going through the linen closet, you find a Monopoly game. Well, it's not going to go in the linen closet. It goes in the game closet or wherever else you have decided you're going to keep your game. So put that in your put away box. If you find a tablecloth, and you actually do store tablecloths in here, put it on the shelf it goes on. At the end of the 15 minutes, take everything and put it where it goes. Don't leave it in those boxes for tomorrow, because you know what happens? People start digging through it, or you look at it and go, oh, maybe I shouldn't give those away. Mom, you're giving this away? Honey, that was my great-grandmother's. Go put it away where people can't see it, okay? All right, and then the next thing we're going to do is, after you've decluttered, here he comes, see his head? After you decluttered, then you're going to deep clean. Once that's all done, but not until the whole room is decluttered. So the linen closet, under the sink, all the drawers, the cabinet, everything is decluttered. Mr. B?
Did you just call me?
Come on in and don't talk, I'm recording. So after it's all decluttered, then you're going to clean. That's when you get to deep clean. You don't deep clean in your zone until you finish decluttering. Now, I will give you an exception in the hall bathroom, and that is the tub. Sometimes, in fact, all the time, you're probably going to need to deep clean your tub or your shower. So you can take one of your 15-minute units once a month and deep clean that. Other than that, you'll be wiping it down as the children bathe or as you bathe or whatever. You're going to be wiping it down and keeping it clean that way. But you're going to do that deep clean once a month. Also, you're going to be doing a weekly home blessing hour, which will have the floor mopped, and every day you're going to be doing the toilet and the sink. So your bathroom's going to stay pretty clean. But when you get ready to deep clean, you're going to do things like really mop around the toilet super good, maybe clean the crevices in the toilet, maybe get a toothbrush and clean around the sink faucets and things. Maybe you're going to clean the baseboards and clean the blinds and wash the curtains and wash the shower curtain and clean the glass on the shower. All those things will happen in your zone work, okay? If you're payroll, again, you're doing these things in 1 hour on a Saturday. So that is how we do zone work. But first we do our decluttering. Next we do our deep cleaning. Not at the same time. So you're not cleaning as you declutter. You're going to do all your decluttering first. I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope that you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.